Has life just handed you the unexpected blow of job loss? Are you feeling lost, worried, uncertain about what the future holds? You are not alone, and it's okay to feel these emotions. It's normal to grieve the loss and fear the uncertainty. But remember, the sun always shines after the storm, and a fresh start awaits you. Today, we will share a strategy that can help you regain your footing and ascend to new heights in your career. Ready? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Effortless Efficiency, your hub for personal growth and transformation. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notification. It is free to subscribe. Now, let's get into why we are here. The first step in our strategy is acceptance. Accepting your job loss doesn't mean you're okay with it, but it does mean you recognize it as part of your life journey. Use this time to reflect, take a breather, and recalibrate your career goals. Understand that job loss is not a reflection of your worth, but a circumstance you can overcome. Next, take inventory of your skills and interests. What are your strengths? What do you love doing? Understanding your skills and passions can help guide you towards a career path that's more aligned with who you are. Check out the book StrengthsFinder 2.0 by Tom Rath to get started on identifying your talents. In today's dynamic job market, continual learning is essential. Use your time off to upskill and broaden your knowledge base. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses that can enhance your employability. For instance, if you're interested in digital marketing, the complete digital marketing course on Udemy is a great place to start. Your network is your net worth. Connect with professionals in your desired industry, attend virtual networking events, and make use of platforms like LinkedIn to establish professional relationships. Remember, many job opportunities come from personal connections. Your resume is your first impression on potential employers. Make sure it effectively showcases your skills, experiences, and achievements. Use action words and quantify achievements where possible. Also, tailor your resume to each job you apply for. The Knock 'em Dead Resumes book by Yate can guide you on how to craft an impressive resume.